Hi and welcome to video 7, the final video of our expository graphics video set. And this time we're going to talk about two different things. We're going to talk about saving out your graphs so that you can put them in your Word document or your PowerPoint presentation or just send someone a copy of the graph. And we'll also talk about what to do about sizing your figure and getting the size of the points to display the way you want it to do. So first off, let's talk about saving your graph. So first, let's make a plot. So here, I'm just doing a plot. There's my plot. So a very simple plot. And if I want to save this, I just tell it, okay, I call GG Save, and I tell it where to put, what file name to put it under. And I can put a path in there as well. So it'll tell me, oh, it's saved a 19.6 by 6.59 image. Now if I open my current folder, I can look and I find that document that just got saved there. Now sometimes it may take you a little while to find where to put this document. I found mine finally because I realized that, oh, this put it in the current working directory for my console. Okay, so I did find it, and here is what it's produced. So that's the PDF of where it is. Now you may have to go back and refresh how to figure out what your current working directory is there. A better way to do that is just to set your working directory when you start to be the same as your where your R Markdown file is living that you're practicing in. Now a lot of your figure sizing is going to be done because you're using R Markdown. So what you want to do is you want to go here to the top of your R Markdown document. And in your chunk, options chunk, you want to put some defaults in for your figure sizes. So you will see that here I have defaulted the output width to be 70% of the page, my figure alignment to be in the center, the width of my figure to be 6 inches, and the figure aspect ratio to be 0.618, which is an approximation to the golden ratio. Then in individual chunks, I can modify just the figure aspect ratio. So for instance, in this chunk, down here at the bottom, I have done a figure width of, I've modified the figure width to be 4. Now, if I do that and look at it from the command line, from the console, then I get the same results as changing that. But I will now show you the knitted version of this document, and you can see how different they are. You'll notice I put the figure width down here in the caption so we could tell which I had used. You see, I changed the figure width in the chunk header for these chunks. Okay, so you can modify it by changing the chunk header. So this should be the document that you have downloaded from GitHub, and you should be able to see how adjusting just the figure width has changed the relative size of the dots. So if you find the dots and the text too difficult to read, you're going to need to play with those until you get your output to look the way you want. So in your last assignment, you're going to try 3 different size options for your graph. So try 3 different fig widths for your graph and put all 3 in your knitted document. Change your captions so I can tell which one you used for which. And you could try playing with some of the other options as well and change those. Then take the one you like the best and save that out as a JPEG file. So you're going to then upload both the JPEG file and your knitted document and your RMD for your homework. That's the end of our video series on expository graphics. Take care and talk to you soon.